Imagine a history so brutal it shaped the modern world yet remains invisible in the toys we give our children. From 1500 to 1900, over 12 million Africans were forcibly shipped across the Atlantic in the transatlantic slave trade. Up to 2 million died before even reaching the ships marched in corfals, chains linking them like livestock to ports like Whydah and Badagry. Today, Lego collectors are rebuilding this erased history brick by brick. Canadian artist Ekau Nimako of Ghanaian descent crafts stunning sculptures exclusively from black Lego bricks to represent African skin and hair. His work transforms plastic toys into profound art. The corfal system used ropes, wooden yokes and iron shackles to force march captives hundreds of miles. Nimako's builds depict these horrors with startling accuracy. Beneath slave castles like those in Lagos lay barracoons, underground dungeons where people were stored like cargo. Lego's official sets ignore these architectures, but collectors recreate them to educate. In 2024, the Because of You Legacy in Focus set honored Black photographers through a collaboration between Because of Them Weekend and Most Incredible Studio. This exclusive set available only at mostincrediblestud.io/becauseofyou bridges past and present. On TikTok, Black women showcase epic Lego collections featuring custom African heritage builds. NBCBLK highlighted this movement as a demand for representation. Artist Adam Ward joins Nimako in publishing books and creating sets that center Black history. Their work emphasizes the 2 million overland deaths, a statistic often overshadowed by the ocean voyage toll. These builds serve as interactive history lessons. Parents and children discuss the stories behind each creation, passing down knowledge. Lego becomes more than a toy, it's a medium for truth. The absence of official African history sets created a void collectors now fill. By reconstructing slave trade routes and kingdoms, they refuse to let corporations dictate whose history matters. The black brick technique, the corfal builds, the barracoon recreations all challenge the white gaze dominating toy design. Modern Africa's vibrant culture connects to this reclaimed past. The Legacy in Focus set honors contemporary Black photographers while Whydah and Lagos become heritage tourism sites. Digital activism meets physical creation as TikTok trends spread awareness. Limited edition sets like Because of You make representation a luxury, sparking debates about accessibility. But the movement grows unstoppable. Brick by brick, story by story, Lego collectors are rebuilding a history too long suppressed. They prove these plastic pieces can carry the weight of centuries. The next generation will learn not from sanitized textbooks but from hands holding the bricks that rebuild their heritage.